Hey guys, so if you have the dishwasher ER code, like someone just wrote here on Reddit, it's a moisture issue. You most likely would see an evidence of moisture on the part is swept out. These kinds of issues are thought to have a definite answer on, and you mostly just replace the part and that's it. Even the person wrote here had the same thing. Ours had a liter crack in the plastic outlet, allowing small bit of liquid to leak into there. Upon removing door panel, I found some corrosion in the area of start switch. Spray with dioxide and it works again. Dioxide is the best for electronics contacts. So still the new touchpad. So just wrote here, person wrote here, installed a new switch and it's working out again. I didn't see any obvious signs of moisture, but just dishwasher owner, so don't really noticeable look other than the rust. I also cleaned the door gasket, still good. Some gunk had built up near the bottom hinge area. And yeah, so this is something that he fixed. So he installed a new switch. So this is something that you want to do and try it out. Just want to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.